Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your audio settings in your 2017 Chevy Colorado. So, in order to access this feature, we must first go to the center console screen, and once we do, we're going to click on audio on the top left side of the screen. And once we do that, we're gonna go to menu on the right side, tone settings, and here it will give you a brief overview of how to customize your audio settings such as bass, mid-range, and treble. And then you also have an option to move how you want to center the speakers, or the way it produces sound. And then you also have presets here on how you want your sound to sound like, such as talk, classical, rock, jazz, pop, and country. But I prefer the custom because I'm looking for a specific sound the way I want it. So that's how I do it, custom. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.